Hi, my name is Artie, and this is Harkersville, New York, which is in the central Catskills, I guess they call it. And I've lived here since 1972. I had my house built then, and it was a shell with a full basement. The house actually was never really properly, the basement was never properly constructed because instead of putting crushed stone around the foundation, instead of putting crushed stone, they put gravel to cover the pipes around the house. I first had work done by Basement Systems 2 years ago, when the basement was severely leaking. And at that time, I was almost every day, anytime it rained, I had to vacuum out gallons and gallons of water. And on this last one, it started leaking on the other side of the house. And 3.5 inches of rain one day caused me to vacuum out 40 gallons of water from the basement. And that was what prompted our decision to ask again to get this job done. Originally, I basically looked up basement. I looked up a solution to on the internet to what to do. That was 2 years ago when I first had Basement Systems. Over the years, I had put a system, PVC pipe around the house, and drill holes in the walls, and had put little tubes in there to go into the PVC pipe, so the water would have a place to go. I found out when they did this section that those pipes were filled with water. So what I did kind of worked, but Miguel, the foreman of the crew that came, told me that they put the drainage that I did into the new drainage, so everything is going to go toward the sump. I was very aware of what was happening down there. What surprised me about the work being done was the efficiency that it was done with, and I couldn't believe how efficient these guys were, and how they came in, they did their job, in a couple of days. This particular job took 3 days to do. The first day they came in and did the trench around the house, and the second day they put up the walls, and the third day they put in the floor. So I was just absolutely blown away by how efficiently they did everything. It was exactly what I expected, and I'll tell you what. I didn't expect them to be so good. Let's put it that way. I never expected how efficient it would be, how it would look after it was finished, and I'm simply, blown away by the work. I'm absolutely confident that it's a good investment for the home, because prior to this, I had cinder block walls down in the basement for the most part. I still have two little areas that nobody really sees when they go down there that are still cinder block. But I'm confident that it has been, that it's raised the value of the home significantly. My advice to anybody that is looking to have a leaking basement fixed, that they definitely should contact Basement Systems. It was, like I said, it's an efficient job that these guys did. They did it in the prescribed amount of time, and it was even exceeded my expectations. And contact Basement Systems if you're looking to have the basement finished. There's so many things other than what they did for me that they do. If you have a basement that's damp and wet, Basement Systems is people to contact whenever they're. I am highly, highly confident that Basement Systems will take care of any of your needs, and I couldn't be more happy with the work that they did.